Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best breaker bars in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best breaker bars that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Keyfit Tools Big Bertha Breacher Super Leverage Breaker Bar. Sometimes you need the ultimate breaker bar to get the job done. We don't mean to be disparaging to the other options, but then again, this is called the Big Bertha Breacher. It's made by Keyfit, and it has a few solid design features going for it. Well, if you really have something stuck, this is a great tool to have around. In its compact configuration, you'll have a 12 inches long breaker bar. You'll also have access to the ratchet end. This can then be extended for up to a whopping 4 feet. Not only that, it comes in a 2-piece set, so you have both 1/2 and 1 inch inner diameters on hand. This is perfect for both large and small tools. This unit has been designed with a slot to accommodate most open-end wrenches. Plus, you'll no longer need cheaper bars nor worry about double wrenching. This tool will do it all. It also works with an impact socket as a tire iron or lug nut wrench. Plus, it's composed of professional CRV steel, which makes it highly durable. In fact, it's so tough it's guaranteed for life. There aren't many other options that can make that claim. Moving on at number 4, we have the Olsa Tools Extendable Breaker Bar. The Olsa Tools Extendable Breaker Bar is a well-rounded product that's great for a handful of automotive applications. The tool is made with durable chrome vanadium steel that's resistant to corrosion. This breaker bar also features a knurled handle that's comfortable to hold, and the drive head rotates up to 180 degrees. This makes it an easy tool to use, even in awkward positions. The Olsa Tools Extendable Breaker Bar gives you the right torque for the job. The telescoping handle allows you to decide on the length of the handle so that you can make adjustments on the fly. For this reason, this tool can be used for simple lug nuts or bolts that are rusted in place. The Olsa Tools Extendable Breaker Bar is unique because of the telescoping handle. While most breaker bars feature handles between 18 and 24 inches, this tool gives you options. Need to loosen a lug nut? Shorten the handle down to 16 inches. Need to break a rusted bolt? Extend the handle up to 24 inches. This is a design that's hard to find anywhere else. If you like the idea of having 2 different breaker bar sizes, we recommend choosing a budget option like the Great Neck Breaker Bar and a durable 24 inches breaker bar like the Capri Tools Extended Leverage Breaker Bar. The Olsa Tools Extendable Breaker Bar is a great product to keep around the house. The 2 different handle lengths give you the versatility you need to tackle most automotive applications. While it's a great tool to have handy, if you need a breaker bar for work, we recommend choosing a product with a more reliable handle. At number 3, we have the NEIKO 1/2 Drive Premium Breaker Bar. If you're looking for a happy medium between an 18-inch shorter breaker bar and an extra long 30-inch breaker bar, the NEIKO 00206A 1/2 Drive Premium Breaker Bar is a good option. This bar measures 24 inches, not too short and not too long, making it a versatile, go-anywhere breaker bar that's highly effective for a wide range of jobs. It's constructed from durable drop-forged, heat-treated chrome vanadium steel and finished with strong rust and corrosion-resistant mirror chrome polish for added toughness. It's equipped with a 180-degree flexible chrome molybdenum head that allows you to work at any angle and to reach around and into tight spaces for optimized leverage, but it's a little less versatile than some other models on the market. A strong, spring-loaded ball bearing holds sockets tightly and can efficiently loosen rusted, frozen, or stubborn nuts and bolts. At number 2, we have the TEKTON 3/8-inch drive x 18-inch breaker bar. When it comes to an ultra-durable, super strong breaker bar that will last a long time, the TEKTON 3/8-inch drive x 18-inch breaker bar definitely fits the bill. This breaker bar is constructed from strong and durable chrome vanadium steel with a corrosion and rust-resistant chrome finish that is easy to keep clean. It also features a sleek and comfortable ergonomically designed handle that offers control and comfort in a wide range of single or double-handed grip positions. The external head is made from IC 4140 steel that is heat-treated in a material-matched process to make it stronger and more ductile than the handle, so you never have to worry about it breaking in the middle of a job. The head also pivots on a wide and impressive 230-degree angle to allow you versatile range and let you approach your job from almost any angle fluidly and with ease. A strong internal spring controls the tension and position of the head to securely hold sockets. And finally at number 1, we have the MAXPOWER 1/2-inch drive 15-inch breaker bar. If you have a tight space and a big job, the MAXPOWER 1/2-inch drive 15-inch breaker bar flex handle is the ideal tool to take it on. With a shorter 15-inch handle, this breaker bar can go where others can't and easily fits in any tool kit, making it a super portable addition to your tool collection. Like many others on the market, this breaker bar is constructed from drop-forged, hardened chrome vanadium steel and features an ergonomic handle for a comfortable and secure grip. Equipped with a 1/2-inch flex drive head that rotates 180 degrees, this breaker bar lets you work at a variety of different angles. The spring-loaded ball bearing in the head keeps your sockets secure and stable while working. Because this is one of the shortest bars on our list, it has the least amount of available torque, so you may get a bit more of a workout using this tool than a long-handled one. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.